Replacement for xargs D and OS X. In Linux, you can use xargs D to quickly run the hostname command against 4 different servers with sequential names as follows. Echo N1, 2, 3, 4 vertical bar xargs D, I, SSH root at www.example.com hostname. It looks like the OS X xargs command does not support the delimiter parameter. Can you achieve the same result with a differently formatted echo, or through some other command line utility?
How about from xargs? Alternatively, you can always install new xargs through Homebrew in the new FindUtils package. Install Homebrew. Follow the instructions. Then install FindUtils. This will give you new xargs as xargs, and you can use the syntax you're accustomed to from GNU/Linux. The same goes for other basic commands found in the FindUtils package such as find or locate or updated, which have different BSD counterparts on OS X.
You can also use tr in OS X to convert the commas to new lines and use xargs to enumerate through each item as follows. If you want it run in parallel, use new parallel.
Jeśli uważacie to subpornej Hanny, lasę co mi świeżo przysługienie.